Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Howdy.
Here to show you our 1970 Cutlass, Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SX. This car is done in a beautiful orange paint job, black vinyl top, black interior. Has its original block and drivetrain in it. Although the block has been spent about, he spent about 13 grand building this motor. Supposed to be near 600 horsepower. Please read the description for more on that build. Has a nice set of weld wheels all the way around it. Black racing stripes. All the chrome and glasswork and vinyl top on the car is in very good shape. The interior is beautiful. It's got great door panels, dashboard, all the wood grain is intact and looks real nice. Just a very clean 1970 Cutlass. And again, be sure to read the ad for more on this engine build. It has a pretty souped up motor in it.
Sounds good. All right, as always, we're gonna crank it up, take it down the road. This might be one of my very last videos, folks. I'm leaving Skyway, so I'll miss it. Well, here we are. We got the Oldsmobile Cutlass, taking it on a test drive. Just waiting on some traffic here. Here we go. Yeah, there we go.
Wrong gear, sorry guys.
Wrong gear.
All the gauges work.
Good.
Yeah.
Cool.
Horn blows.
Sweet. We got some.
It's got lots of power. Lots of. Definitely in a factory engine.
Yeah.
I mean, it's the factory block that's been built.
Right.
Feels real good. Lots of torque. Steering feels good.
Sweet.
Shifting feels good. All the gauges work.
Sounds good. All right, guys. We're going to take it on back, take a look underneath. Thanks for tuning in.